Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can draw on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, you can probably do something similar on the app version, however, drawing on Google Maps is much easier on the PC. Now, on Google Maps on the mobile, you can just select two destinations, ask for directions between them, and that's going to draw pretty much a line, and that's pretty much how you can draw lines on Google Maps. You might have other apps or other options within the app to actually change that. However, I'm not aware of them at the current moment. However, I do know how to do this on the PC, so let me show you. So for example, you can go ahead and right click anywhere you want, any location, set directions from here, and then set here to ask directions to here, and as you can see, it's going to point directions between the 2 points. Alternatively, you can also right click and you can also measure distance, which you can just select a beginning and an end, and as you can see, now you have this line, but you can drag these sort of angles, pretty much click anywhere on the line, and you can draw these joints where it'll modify the line and pretty much show you the max length of that line. Alternatively, what you can also do, you can go to My Maps, create a new map, and once you create a new map, you can pretty much just draw whatever you want. So for example, let's go to Paris, and here you can add these markers, just name them whatever you want, and then you can draw lines like this, add line or shape, and as you can see, you can draw lines however you would like, create polygons or whatever, and you can also ask for directions between this and this by clicking on there, and as you can see, it'll show you the directions and it'll draw a line just like that. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.